Social Coach does right here, and I want to show you exactly how to use your affiliate link for the ThinkSocial school. So you're going to go to ThinkSocial.teachable.com, and then you're going to click up here, and there is a login button. Once you actually get to the login screen, you're going to use your login, which I have a test student, so test 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to click login. All right, so this is where you'll actually see the courses that you are registered for. All right, and when you click it to the top and click affiliate, it will bring you to your affiliate dashboard. The affiliate dashboard is where all of your courses and all of your links are going to actually be, as far as what you've actually sold, and you can check your sales, any of your payout details. Okay, so when you want to promote a specific course, you very much can, very easily. If you want to promote all of the courses, you would just type in ThinkSocial.teachable.com, and that would take you to the whole school. But we're going to actually focus on the Happy Birthday course, which is, or the Happy Birthday LuLaRoe, which is ThinkSocial.teachable.com/p/happy-birthday-LuLaRoe. So you're going to come back over to your actual screen right here, and then you're going to actually, right here where it says link generator, you're going to paste that link, and then you're going to click generate. Now, if you notice, what it did was it added your affiliate code right here to the end. So you can actually select that by clicking copy, then open up a new browser just to test it, and it's going to actually take you to that specific page that you can actually sell. Now, anyone that clicks on this is actually going to have a cookie placed for 365 days. So your affiliate link will actually be tied to that for you. Again, you can go back to the dashboard to check your information as people look at it or as people buy, and it will actually get associated to your PayPal email address. So you need to make sure you set up some type of PayPal email address so that way we can actually pay you. If you have any questions, just let me know.